How to use social media marketing to develop your brand. Social media marketing is how you stand out. Your branding will go hand in hand with your marketing strategy, using one to further the other. This means it needs to be good. This presentation will reveal how you can use social media marketing to develop your brand. First, why do you need a brand? Having a distinct brand identity is essential to succeeding in business in the era of social media. It makes you a professional, it makes you genuine, and it makes you successful. You should be aiming to generate brand awareness, brand recognition, and brand loyalty. Your audience first needs to be aware of your brand. This can occur when your social media marketing is effective at reaching your audience. Your audience should then recognize your brand. Your content should be unique and set you apart from your competition. They should be able to see a piece of content or part of an advertising campaign and recognize it as you, instantly and without question. Then, you need to create brand loyalty. The best way to do this is to build a connection with your audience. You can achieve this by being personable, likable, and interacting with your audience. Once you've established the goals of your branding, you can begin to use your marketing strategy too. Then, generate sales. To achieve these, you should first create your social media profiles and make them consistent. You should have a visual brand, being your logos, fonts, and photographs should all be consistent and appropriate for your branding. The persona that you use to post and interact with your audience should be consistent. It needs to appeal to your audience and be memorable. Your brand needs to aim towards gaining the trust and respect of your audience, so it needs to be someone that your audience wants to interact with. Your social media marketing strategy should highlight what sets you apart from your competition. What is your special sell? Make sure you emphasize this in your branding that makes it clear to your audience. An extremely effective element of branding is the ability to engage and interact with your audience. Make sure that you're available and accessible for your audience. You want them to like, comment, and share your posts, so make sure they feel like they have a good environment to do so. Of course, you need to regularly post content, and it should be good. Posting less frequently, but of higher quality would be preferred. But you still need to post frequently. If you're not posting, you are not on people's feeds. Your branding and your marketing will complement and bounce off each other. The key is understanding what you are doing and how they play together to generate, ultimately, brand loyalty. If you do not have a brand, how can you expect to reach the main goal of business, brand loyalty? The power of developing your brand to be relevant and attractive to your audience is something that should not be overlooked. Overall, brand awareness can only occur if a recognizable brand exists.